The growing trend for mechanical keyboards parallels a rising interest in mobility aids like lightweight manual wheelchairs. Both serve performance and comfort needs. Just as typists and gamers demand responsive keys and durable frames, wheelchair users seek portable.
List number 1. Medline comfortable folding wheelchair with swing-back desk-length arms and swing-away footrests. This Medline folding wheelchair strikes the perfect balance between comfort, and convenience. Its swing-back desk-length arms make it easy to roll up to a table, while the swing-away footrests help with easier transfers. The padded seat and backrest offer all-day comfort.
List number 2. Drive Medical SSP118FA SF Silver Sport 1 Folding Transport Wheelchair. This Drive Medical Silver Sport 1 is a reliable, but budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on essential features. The folding steel frame offers great durability, while the padded armrests and seat ensure moderate comfort, though slightly heavier than others in the ultra-light category.
List number Medline lightweight foldable transport wheelchair with handbrakes and 12-inch wheels. This Medline transport wheelchair is built with caregiver convenience in mind. The 12-inch rear wheels offer smoother rides over uneven terrain, and the loop-style handbrakes add enhanced control and safety. Despite its rugged performance, the chair is incredibly lightweight and easy to fold for storage or travel.
List number Drive Medical Blue Streak lightweight wheelchair with swing-away footrests and flip-back arms. The Drive Medical Blue Streak brings smart design to everyday functionality. With flip-back, desk-length arms and swing-away footrests, this chair is ideal for users who need frequent transfers or access to desks and tables. The durable frame is light enough for transport, yet strong enough for daily use. List number 5. Medline lightweight wheelchair for adults with swing-back arms. This Medline wheelchair is designed for simplicity, comfort, and efficiency. Weighing less than many traditional models, it features swing-back arms for easier side transfers and compatibility with tables. The vinyl upholstery is easy to clean, and the frame folds quickly for car transport.